Hi guys, welcome to Run Deals. Today I want to show you this compressed air capsule. This is really amazing product because you can use it for air and vacuum, and also it's really portable and lightweight. And it comes with a case like this. You can just put it inside of it like this, and there is USB charger cable inside of the box, and this is vacuum head, this is brushing head, and also there is short air wall, long air wall, and swim ring air wall like this. It's really easy to use, and also this outlet part for air heads, and it already says do not install dust cup to outlet. So if you want to use vacuum part, you need to attach this vacuum head here like this, and then you just need to long press to on off button. And this is indicator. I highly recommend this. You can use it anywhere, even in your car. So I highly recommend this. Thank you for watching.